In this video, we'll show you how to fix FiveM voice chat not working. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if people can't hear you or you can't hear anyone in FiveM, here's some few things you can check and fix. So first of all, press escape or pause button and go to settings, and then you go to voice chat, and then make sure the voice chat is enabled. Turn this on, and then the microphone is also enabled. There we go. All right, next, the output device. Make sure you select the output device you're using, whether it's your speaker or headset or earphone or anything. So for me, it's gonna be my headset. And then let's set the voice chat volume up. In the talking section, we already enabled the microphone. Now the input device, make sure this is the input device you want to use, or any microphone you want to use. So for me, it's correct already. And you can see the voice volume is going up and down when I'm speaking. You can also tweak a little bit the microphone volume and the microphone sensitivity. Alright, the next thing you can do to make sure it will work in the future is to check the Windows sound setting. So to do it, you can go on the bottom right corner on the speaker icon, right click on it, hit sound settings, and then scroll down, hit more sound settings, and you'll have the sound settings here. Now you want to set the default setting for your speaker and also for your microphone. So for example, for me, my headset is going to be my default communication device, and I'm going to right click and then hit set as default device, like that. There we go. So, and also you're going to do the same for the recording or microphone. On the microphone you want to use, right click on it and then set as default device, and you're good to go. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.